You asked for a low cap token, and here it is. I doubled my money in a span of 24 hours, and it has a lot more room to go. I'm going to share with you guys this token called UniTrade before the whole world starts talking about it, before it gets popular, before it gets more expensive. So without further ado, let's go bank that coin. It's the crypto lifestyle, baby! Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Francis, and on this channel, we emphasize the importance of crypto mass adoption, decentralization, and other Bitcoin-related stuff that could bank us coin. So if that sounds interesting to you and you want to learn more, do that by subscribing and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. First and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I'm just a guy on the internet here on YouTube who loves blockchain tech because I truly believe this technology will change the world, and that's why I invest. So please do your own homework and your own research when investing into any such crypto. Okay guys, with that disclaimer out the way, hear this out. I have officially just doubled my money in less than 24 hours. Yesterday around 5 p.m. in New York, Toronto time, which is an hour from now, it's 4 p.m. I put right here 9.4 Ethereums into this token. It's fresh, it's brand new, it's only 2 days old, okay, on the markets on UniSwap, and I invested at 11 cents, guys. Right now, UniTrade is popping off, and as you can see right there, it's at 22 cents, literally like almost 23 cents, okay, guys? So I have literally doubled my money in less than 24 hours, and this thing has a heck of a lot ways to go. I just want this to be an announcement video. This isn't my official review on UniTrade because we just have limited information out there, okay, and I'm going to share that with you guys. But I want y'all to know this: if you're familiar with UniSwap, the tokens coming out of there, if you could pick the right ones, you're going to make some nice gainers. And if you don't believe me, just ask the guys who got into TrustSwap early. I mean, I wasn't as fortunate to get into TrustSwap as early as some people, but I got in at around 27 cents and it's at 45 cents, okay guys, in a matter of like what, about me holding it for 3 days. And I told myself, I said, look man, you better be looking on UniSwap for more gems, and we found another low-key gem. Everybody do with me, low-key gem. Yeah, we did. All right, so with the limited information we have out there, guys, again, they don't even have a website out right now. They don't even have a white paper out. I believe the website for UniTrade will be coming out on August 14th, and we'll go to their Telegram chat, and I'll show you what one of the developers actually posted. That's mainly the information that's out there, but this is what I could tell you. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with UniSwap, and I'm sure a lot of you guys already are, this is how it pretty much looks like, okay? You put in Ethereum, you choose what token you want, and boom, the swap occurs right there and then, okay? You don't have any, like, you know, automated trades there, okay? So let me back up. So UniTrade will be built on top of UniSwap, okay? And it's going to offer a little bit more advanced functionality for traders. Like, you know, you could automate your trades by having, like, you know, preset buy orders and or sell orders, okay? And in my humble opinion, decentralized exchanges, that's something that they need to work on. And if if UniTrade could actually deliver on that, then hey, that's going to bode really well. Not only that, UniTrade is going to have instant liquidity, guys, from day one, because they're going to be linked to the liquidity pools on UniSwap. And you could actually think of UniTrade as a feature for UniSwap because, you know, it's going to be built on top, and for people who like more advanced trading functionalities, they're going to be able to do that, and they're going to offer that. So that's really good. And again, if you think UniSwap is going to be even more successful and a bigger exchange and the volume is just going to increase, then I believe that's a direct correlation to UniTrade. Okay guys, so yeah, what I'm going to do now is share my screen with you. Okay guys, here we are at CoinMarketCap, and once again, as I stated, there isn't much information out there, okay? But let's just read this, then we're going to go to their Telegram chat. So according to CoinMarketCap, UniTrade is said to be a decentralized trading platform built on top of UniSwap liquidity pools, as I already mentioned. UniTrade reportedly introduced a variety of advanced functionality on top of the existing UniSwap experience, including placing buy and sell orders, viewing market order books, setting reoccurring buys and sells, and accessing liquidity management tools for UniSwap liquidity pools. Trade is reportedly the native token of UniTrade and may act as a platform token for paying fees. Again, guys, this is just my announcement video. I will be following this project very closely. So the total supply is 50 million tokens. All right, guys, 50 million, not 1,000. All right. If we actually come here to their Telegram, which I shall open up right now. This guy here, Reborn1002, is a developer, and he says, this is one of the, well, it was a pinned message, okay? I had to scroll up. On August 1st, guys, remember, this is fresh, only 2 days old. The pre-sale sold at 8 cents. It launched on Poloniex at 10 cents. And then I got in like at 11 cents. And it's now at what? Where we at, baby? We're at double your money, and it's going up like crazy. Holy shit balls. All right, so check it out. So UniTrade is a completely decentralized trading platform in the DeFi space that is built on top of UniSwap liquidity pools. Okay, we said that. UniTrade will have access to the large trading volume from liquidity pools on UniSwap right from the very start. So you don't have to worry about liquidity. You don't got to worry about trading volume. They're going to be using UniTrade's liquidity pools. Okay, guys, really cool stuff. UniTrade was created and being developed by Reborn1002 purely out of necessity. UniSwap is an amazing platform, but it's so new and there is so many times I wish I could set up buy orders or sell orders at a specific price for tokens. So that was his inspiration on why he coded this, okay? Why does this matter? Automate your trades. You will now be able to place sell and buy orders at target prices on Uniswap through the UniTrade platform. You will be able to execute a buy order as the token's price reaches, say, 50 cents, for example, or sell if it drops below 25 cents. Schedule buys and sells. With the UniTrade platform, you can seamlessly schedule recurring buy orders or sell orders over a duration of time with specific parameters such as the price range of the token on Uniswap, okay? So guys, this is like how, you know, regular, like, fast acting, say, centralized exchanges are, right? That's what they have already integrated. So this is really game changer, man. Really, really game changing. If you could automate your trades on a DEX, man, that is pretty cool, okay? Liquidity management. Maximize earnings by setting breakpoints that will add or remove your liquidity pairs from Uniswap pools if the price falls below or increases past a set amount. Guys, trust me on this one, okay? Listen to me. This thing is going to blow up, both on a marketing standpoint and on the token standpoint. That's all I'm telling y'all. Let's see if I know what I'm saying. Over the course of the next 2 weeks, I bet you bottom dollar this thing is it's not gonna be where it's at right now. That's all I'm saying. All right. So live charts and analytics. View detailed charts of all the trade action happening on Uniswap that you would expect to see on a professional trading software. So think of like Trading View, right? I'm not saying it's going to be exactly like that, but they're going to try to give you analytic tools such as that. Okay, guys, pretty cool for a DEX, right? Now, what is the UniTrade token for? Very important, guys. Pay attention. To make trades on UniTrade, a small fee is collected in ETH. 10% of these fees are stored on the contract as future development fund. The remaining 90% of ETH, which is part of these fees, acquired from trades on the DeFi trading platform, is programmed by the smart contract to automatically buy UniTrade tokens directly from the trade ETH Uniswap liquidity pool on a daily basis. But this is the special part of that. Trade token holders will receive fee discount. Trade token holders will receive fee discounts on the trading platform as well. Finally, the trade tokens purchased on Uniswap from the collected fees are burnt by the contract. Okay, guys, do you understand what that means? So essentially, you know, the money that they generate, the Ethereum that they generate from fees, they're keeping 10% for development of the smart contract and whatever they need for development, and then the remainder of that 10% is going to actually buy back the token, and then they're going to burn it. So that's like demand, and then all right, well, let's just burn that off. So that's sustaining the price. All right. Cool stuff. Token information, it's obviously the name UniTrade, symbol is trade. This is the contract address, guys, okay? Now look, if you're interested in this, here's the roadmap as well. Early August, final designs for UniTrade web interface, UniTrade white paper released, UniTrade smart contract in September 1st, V1 complete, September 14th. For me personally, man, I'm holding this. I'm just gonna hold. Like, HODL is back, all right? The days of HODL are back. back, all right? And they go on about more information here, man. But again, guys, look, man, I know this is not like one of my reviews I do that's in depth, but hey, this is all I could do for you with the limited information at my disposal. Now, look, man, if you know anything about UniSwap and these DeFi tokens, this one's just like that, and it will pop the hell off just like TrustSwap did and made people some good money. I think it's sitting at what, 45x, maybe 50x, maybe more, right, from the from the initial price. So I see similar things here for UniTrade. Let's just give it a refresh while we're there. All right. So, hey, man, that's all I have for y'all. Oh, yeah, by the way, now, for those who do not know how to actually purchase it from UniSwap, you're going to have to put in, okay, once you come here, select token and get the contract address for trade token, place it in here, and then it's going to populate like this. And then you just put in how much ETH you want, like, 5, and then it's going to tell you how much you're going to get. All right, guys? So, hey, make sure you get the right contract address. That's very important. There's a lot of no good people in this space that are just, trying to scam people and pretending to be trade token and these other DeFi projects as well. Okay, guys, so that's all I have for you. Do be on the lookout for my official review video on UniTrade, man. Let's go bank that coin now. So until then, you're on your own. Later.